Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to make 부대찌개. The 부대찌개 is we call also military soup because the first time when we made a 부대찌개, we made a soup with the leftover food from the American military base. So we call military stew or soup. Okay, here's the ingredient. We have many different kind of hams and rice cake, kimchi, udon, sausage, spam, baked bean, and some beef. And there is some chopped garlic and red chili powder, but actually garlic and the powder is the optional. If you don't like, you don't have to put. If you like, yes, please go ahead. And there's some water. It's a rice water. When you wash up the rice, the first, second water just throw away because they have some dust in it. But the third water, just bring the jar to make some soup. Okay, now we will show you how to make. Hello, sister.
Hi.
Okay, thank you for showing us how to make a 부대찌개 today. Okay, so kimchi, put in the pot. And some rice water. And some sausages. Another kind of sausages, ham. And some rice cake, very thin slice of rice cake. And spam. So make a thin slice. And some meat, beef.
이거 다진 고기로 써도 돼.
Oh yeah, also she said that we can use the ground beef. And some baked bean. 1, 2.
좀 많이 넣었어. 원래 3숟갈 정도 넣는데.
Yeah, just 3 or 4 spoons of baked bean is enough.
그리고 나는 마늘을 다 넣을 거예요.
And we're gonna put lots of garlic. The garlic is optional, so if you don't like garlic, you don't have to put. And some chili powder also is the optional. If you don't like too spicy, then you don't have to put it. But we love spicy and garlicky flavor. and 2 sausages.
비닐이 없네요.
Okay. Let's slice them.
하나씩. 콩나물이나 뭐 좋아하는 야채 다른 거 있으면 넣어도 돼.
If you like bean sprout, also you can put bean sprout in it. But today we don't have bean sprout.
이제 끓기만 하면 됩니다. 이거는 다 끓은 다음에 데치기만 하면 돼요.
Yeah, we're gonna put the noodles later after it boiled. Okay, let's boil it then.
이제 끓으면 만나요.
Yes, see you later. Okay, look what's inside. There is 3 or 4 different kind of ham and sausages, and sliced beef, and chopped garlic, chili powder, and baked bean, and some rice water. And of course they have some rice cake, sliced rice cake. So we'll just let it boil first. Then after boil, we're gonna put some noodle in it. Okay, let's wait. Actually, we're gonna add some tofu. If you like tofu, you can put tofu as well. Yay, tofu! Tofu is protein from the bean, so it's really good for you and low calorie. Now we're gonna put some noodle, udon. If you like Korean noodle, you can put Korean noodle too. But since we have the udon, we will use the udon for
라면
today.
좋아하면 라면 넣어도 돼.
Yeah, if you like Korean noodle called ramyeon, you can put ramyeon.
이게 훨씬 맛있어.
But this is tastes better.
좋아하는 거 마음껏 넣어서. 맛있겠어. 국물 인증갈.
Which is so easy to make if you have all ingredients.
됐다. 먹자.
Okay, it's really simple. We are done everything, so let's have some 부대찌개. Okay. How is it?
진짜 맛있어.
It's really good. Okay. Okay, let's eat now. Hello. So we made 부대찌개 today. And here's what we made. So we're gonna try this. Okay, let's do it. Ooh. Noodles, some ham, and tofu. And some spam and soup. And noodles. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, and drink.
면. 엄마도 햄. 엄마.
And this is dried seaweed. So we can wrap a rice like this and make a kimbap. And it's good. Yeah. This is acorn jello. We made from acorn powder. Maybe one day we will show you how to make this jello at home. There is no sugar in it, just 100% acorn powder, and just boil it with water. 왜 따봉 하고 있어?
너
언니.
맛있어서?
아, 따봉 눌러주세요 그거요? 구독.
네, 구독해주세요.
따봉이야. Thank you for watching our videos and see you next time. Bye.